Sinakeithel Village Authority in Ukhrul district has issued a public safety order restricting civilian movement on certain routes due to the prevailing security situation in the region. According to the order issued, civilians have been prohibited from using Leplen to Tingpibung via Sinakeithel Road and Sinakeithel to Tanrui Road until further notice. The authority also strictly bars civilians from crossing into the jurisdiction of Sinakeithel, particularly along Lungtar Hill Range, Sinakeithel to Tanrui Road and nearby areas. Stating that the directive was issued in the interest of public safety amid ongoing security concerns, the village authority warned that anyone ignoring the order and entering the restricted areas will do so at their own risk and be responsible for any consequences. Residents and travelers have been urged to remain vigilant, cooperate with authorities and avoid restricted zones until further notice.